How to add emotes on Kick. So in this video today, everybody, I'll be showing you how you can actually add emotes to your Kick channel. So I'll show you step by step on how that's done. So let's go ahead and get right in. Now you can see here, we're currently on the Kick dashboard here. Now you're gonna want to head over to your profile icon here at the top right hand corner. Go ahead and click on it. Now here you're gonna want to head over to the creator dashboard. And once you click it, you should be brought to the creator dashboard. Now in here, you're gonna want to make sure that you head over to the community and then go ahead and head over to emotes. Now here in emotes, you can actually add your own preferred emotes. Now you can actually create your own emotes, but I'll give you guys a brief example. I just pulled an image off of Google here. So all I have to do is just go ahead and add this. And basically, I'm gonna go ahead and just name this Patrick or whatever it may be. We'll go ahead and add this emote. And you can see is now creating our emote, and this emote is now a channel emote for our Kick channel. So basically, that's how you go ahead and add channel emotes. Leave a comment down below if you guys want a tutorial on how you can create emotes for free. With that being said, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys until next time.